Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video I will show you how to restore and paint steel wheel from this to this with common hand tool. This method can be applied to aluminum wheels too. I'm gonna be using jack and jack stand to remove all the four wheels together, base color paint can, and using paint gun with primer and clear coat, which I use them a lot for painting 3D printed RC car bodies on my other channel, plus paper towel, brush, and sandpapers. Before jacking up the car, secure the tire and jack up the car so you can put it on a jack stand. A quick tip if you didn't know where to jack up the car: always look for a thick structure. Now the car on 4 jack stands. Make sure the car not wiggling. Perfect. Removing all the 4 wheels for cleaning process. I'm gonna start with 240 grit sandpaper, but first remove the balance weight and mark the tire so you know exactly where it was later, and also mark the balance weight to know which weight for which tire. Covering the valve stamp is important so you don't accidentally damage it with wire brush. Using wire brush for tight corners, and always protect your lungs and eyes before using wire brush. Acetone or rubbing alcohol can be used for removing oil and paint dust. I always like to use compressed air to evaporate alcohol if it was remaining between the joints. Let's mask the tire so you can paint the wheel, and I will show you painting without masking, which I will show you in a minute. Make sure the tape tucked well to get clean edge when we remove the tape. One last wipe down with rubbing alcohol and we are ready to apply primer. I like to put the wheel back on the car, spin the wheel and apply primer. That way I have even coverage. Keep in mind before doing that I cover up the car to prevent paint dust. Maybe some overspray on the caliper, but I'm going to restore the calipers anyway in a different video, so it's okay. Otherwise, paint the wheel of the car. Applying 2 coats of primer and wait 10 minutes between the coats. Here is painting without masking, just holding a piece of paper with the edge of the wheel. After 20 minutes of applying primer, sanding with 600 grit sandpaper. Blowing the dust off and wiping with rubbing alcohol, and we are ready for the base color. You can choose any color you like. Again, if you didn't like to paint it like this, do it off the car, but look at that even coverage. I applied 2 coats. Mixing my 2K clear coat. You can also get 2K clear coat in a spray can. 2K means it's 2 parts and it dries fast. To get the metallic look, just add few sprays of chrome paint. And here is the final look. We started from old wheel to this metallic finish. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.